how to make salted caramel cold foam brew. Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking your cold brew game to an entirely new level with a drink that's sweet, silky, and downright addictive. The salted caramel cold foam cold brew. If you're a fan of creamy cold foam, rich caramel, and that perfect salty sweet balance, this is the drink you've been waiting for. Let's jump right in. Ingredients. For the cold brew: 1 cup cold brew, concentrate, 1 cup cold water, ice. For the salted caramel cold foam: 1/2 cup heavy cream, 2 tablespoons milk, any kind, 1½ tablespoons caramel sauce, a pinch of sea salt. Optional, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. Start by filling your glass with ice, then pour in your cold brew, concentrate, and water. Give it a quick stir and set it aside, because the real magic happens in the foam. In a separate cup, add your heavy cream, milk, caramel sauce, and a tiny pinch of sea salt. Using a handheld frother, whip the mixture until it becomes thick, creamy, and irresistibly fluffy. You want it to be smooth but still pourable, like a soft caramel-infused cloud. Now for the best part: slowly spoon or pour that salted caramel cold foam right over your cold brew. Watch it cascade down the sides and blend beautifully into the coffee drizzle. A little extra caramel on top if you want to take things to the next level. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments how it turned out. I love hearing your creations. And if you made your own twist or added your own flavor spin, definitely share it so we can all try it too. Don't forget to hit that like button, because it really helps support the channel. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another cozy coffee recipe, iced drink, or sweet cafe-style creation right here at home. Thank you so much for watching, for brewing with me, and for being part of this amazing coffee community. Grab your salted caramel masterpiece, take a sip, and enjoy the rest of your day. I'll see you in the next brew. Free ebook: Starbucks Liquors. Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. The description: https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.